the Outline Skincare Clinic today in Droitwich to have a look at some tattoo removal. We're using a Cynosure Nd YAG laser, and this is one of the best lasers around really for doing tattoo removal. It's a specific wavelength of light that is particularly good at breaking up red and black ink, and it's got an extremely short pulse duration, which is actually in the region of nanoseconds. Anybody that remembers back to physics lessons will remember that a nanosecond is around about a 1,000 millionth of a second, so that's how short the pulse duration is on this laser, and that's what causes the intensity of the beam is what causes the ink in the tattoo to break up when we do the treatment. And this lady has already had 4 treatments on the tattoo, and it's significantly lighter. I would say the tattoo was faded by at least 50% from when she first started treatment. So we're going to carry on and do the treatment today. Everybody that's in the room has to wear protective eyewear for this particular treatment to make sure that their eyes are safe. It is a loud treatment as well. It has an acoustic effect when the laser works, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me talking over it, but it is loud. And we're going to start the treatment in a minute. You okay? Yeah. Here we go, starting the treatment now. The laser fires very rapidly. It's actually firing 10 shots every second. It feels very, very hot to the patient. Would you agree with that? Yeah. It is, however, very quick, and an average treatment doesn't take us much longer than a couple of minutes, really. But you can see I'm just hovering over the tattoo here, and you can hear this crackling noise, and that is the laser breaking up pieces of ink at a very rapid rate. After the treatment you get slight bleeding, and this is normal, and the patient will wear a dressing for the first few hours at home and then take it off and just look after it healing. The risk of scarring with this treatment is very small. However, there's normal risks involved as with any sort of injury. So if they pick the scabs or knock the area, accidentally knocking the scab off, that can cause scarring. But as a rule, the laser treatment itself doesn't usually cause any problems. It's normally from bad healing. As you can see, I've got a little bit of pinprick bleeding here, and this is entirely normal after the treatment, and it makes a kind of scab over the area. That's all finished. You can see it's relatively quick. I'm just going to put a little dressing on here, which is pure aloe vera gel, and that just instantly takes the heat out. And we cover that over and just recommend that they leave that on for a few hours, just for the area to stop bleeding. Treatment would be resumed after about 6 weeks. It takes about 6 weeks for the body to clear away any ink. Body's white blood cells come along and eat up the ink and get rid of it the same way as our bodies would get rid of a bug or an infection or something like that. And it takes about 6 weeks for that process to carry on, so we wouldn't retreat in that time. But the area itself would have probably healed in about 2 or 3 weeks.